Okay, this is lesson C-L06. Start off with your heading. Make sure you put whatever the date is that you're working on this. The essential question is, how do we construct a line that goes through a given point and is perpendicular to a given line? And that's when the given point is on the given line. The homework is C-HW06 to complete the handout, and you can see YouTube video C-L06 for help. For the warm-up, I want you to solve the following problem. Okay. Construct a line through point P and parallel to the given line. Right? So, about halfway down the rest of the page, I want you to make a line that goes from the 1 to the 7. Okay, and then a little bit to the right side, an inch or two up. Actually, not that far. Right about here, put a point, and this is point P. And you're going to use your constructions of drawing a parallel line to solve this problem. And if you need to, you can go back to the last lesson, and that shows you how to do it. Okay? Then you could turn the page over. Okay, the title of this construction, it's the 6th one. It's perpendicular through a given point on a given line. So we're going to be given a point on a line. Our task is to construct a line that goes through the given point and is perpendicular to the given line. And here's the directions. Put your compass point on the given point and draw a circle of any size, but you don't want to make it too big or too small. Put your compass point where the circle crossed the left side of the given line and the pencil point where the circle crossed the right side of the given line and draw a semicircle. Do the same thing on the other side. Connect the points where the semicircles cross. This new line goes through the given point and is perpendicular to the given line. For the explanation, remember the construction for bisect an angle. In this construction, you have bisected a straight angle. Since a straight angle is 180 degrees, you have just created two angles of 90 degrees each. Since two right angles have been formed, a perpendicular exists. Okay? Now, take out a new sheet and put your heading. This is page 2 of 2, and this is the example problem. Construct a line through point P and perpendicular to the given line. Okay, so first we need to draw a given line. So about halfway down, I'm going to draw a line that goes from the 1 to the 7. Okay, and I'm going to put a point P on the line, right in the middle of the line. That's point P. Okay, so look at step 1. Put your compass point on the given point and draw a circle of any size. Not too big and not too small. Whoops, not too big, not too small. So I'm going to take my compass and put the compass point on point P. And where I have it set right now is a pretty good size. So I'm going to draw a circle with my compass. Okay, close enough. Let's just fudge that a little bit. Okay. Put your compass point where the circle crossed the left side of the given line and the pencil point where the circle crossed the right side of the given line and draw a semicircle. So I'm putting the compass point where the circle crossed the left side of the line, and I have to open this to where it crossed the right side. And now I need to draw a semicircle. A semicircle is a half a circle, so I'm going to go up halfway and down, just like that. That's a semicircle. Okay? It says do the same thing on the other side. So without changing anything, I'm going to put the compass point here, make sure my pencil lines up, which it does, and I'm going to draw a semicircle that goes up and down. The semicircle is a half a circle, right? So there you have it, and you can see you have the semicircles cross above the point and below the point. Finally, connect the points where the semicircles cross, and we're going to do this in pen. So I'm going to, right where the semicircles cross, okay, I'm going to draw a line, and you should notice that the line is going to go right through the point, and that has to happen. Okay, and there you have the completed construction. That line is perpendicular to this given line, and it goes through point P, goes through the given point. Alright, so on the back, write that problem down and go ahead and solve it yourself. Alright, so you need to draw the given line, so about halfway down, do the same thing. About halfway down. And it doesn't matter if this line is straight, it could be at an angle, okay? As long as you do the construction right, it still will turn out okay. So draw your line, do 1 to 7, and in the middle of your line, put the point A. And then you can do the construction. And that's the end of lesson C-L06.